So yes, here I have from our lab manual we have copied the tags, okay, for each and every site. Okay, so for SDFS site, for core site, for MapRed site, and for yarn site. Here I hope you remember what single node setup is. So this is actually a comment. Okay, our tag is here only. So this we already did. What we have to copy from here in SDFS site is this. Okay, so we'll copy this and we'll put it here. Now see, whenever you are actually, you must be thinking let's use chat gpt and everything. Okay, it's fine, you can go ahead and use it, but the thing is every time you use you will get a little bit of different of answers. You might get even more than these tags for several purposes. But the thing is, what you need just about right now is the basic tags. Okay, and these are the basic tags that you need in core site, in MapRed site also. When you write on ChatGPT you will get several tags, but just make sure you get only basic tags. And whenever there is a situation, whenever there is a requirement, you can always add the tags. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. So just do what is necessary. Okay, no need to do any unnecessary things. So I mean, even if it is needed and some job is not being finished, then we can think about it. So far we have not encountered such situation because of the 6 experiments that is based on Hadoop, like 3, 4, and 5 and 6, right? So we will save it now, and this is opened by Nano. Doesn't mean that you have to source this also. Only bash rc, only .sh files are those that you will source. You will write source because you will run. Here I'm just adding property tags. So HDFS site is done. Let's make for core site. Okay, so what is the configuration tag for core site? Let's see in our document. So only this much. So copy this. Okay, okay, we'll copy this and we'll paste it here. Okay, and then as simple as that, we are going to close it again, enter. Okay, so I'm actually pressing ctrl plus x and then y, and then I'm pressing enter. Okay, it is asking me y and n, so I'm pressing y. If I don't want to save, I have to press n. Okay, so let's move on to MapRed. All right, so what do I have for MapRed? Let's see. So this is something that we have. Copy and then so I ctrl x y and then enter. Again, what is the meaning? Last one is yarn site. Okay, so what do we have for yarn? Yarn. Okay, we'll go to our document. Okay, we have copied that, and then we'll write from here, move the cursor here, and then paste this. Okay, so I suppose that should be enough. Okay, once we'll check on Google also. Okay, we don't need to, but configuration. we'll go ahead with this. Okay, so Jan system resource manager host name and localhost seems all right. Okay, these are the basic tags. If any necessary, we'll add later. All right. So again, ctrl+x, y, enter. So basic configuration is done, and okay. And now, do you remember that we had problems in when we were looking for SSH localhost, and it was showing us connection refused situations. So whenever connection refused situation is there, that means our localhost is not working properly. So in this case, what we'll do is we have to set this localhost. We have to make an open SSH server. So then only Hadoop can run properly in our single node system, in our local system. So in this case, what we'll do, we'll I have given you a script. Just run that, and it will be golden. Means so before running that script, what do you need to do actually? So nano, make a file. Doesn't matter what file. So what I will say, free SSH server .sh. So now this is just a file that I'm making. I'll put the whole code, the whole script in this, and then I will run it through source. That is what I'm going to do. Okay.